Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the correct way how to fry rice with egg. So I got the leftover rice right here from yesterday, and make sure you break up all the rice right here, break all the clumps. So that's the first thing you need to do, break it all the clumps in the rice, break it all up. Okay, so here's the vegetables that are gonna go into the rice. I got one small onion right here. This is a really small onion. If you have a big onion, just use about half of it. So you want to dice this up. Yeah, you want to dice this with the onion up. Okay. The next vegetable that gonna go in with the fried rice is the one carrot. I got one small carrot right here. It's already peeled and clean and washed. Got to dice that up. Alright, just dice it up like that. The next vegetable, green beans. You can use any vegetable, but I'm going to use green bean today. Just dice it up. Okay. Yeah, you can use if you want to, you can use frozen peas, but I choose to use the the green bean today. The next one is green onions. And the meat, you can use any leftover meat. I have some leftover ham right here. You can use that. So just need to chop it up to small pieces like this. You can use Spam on this too. You like Spam, or you can use hot dog. Any leftover meat will do. Okay. I have 3 eggs right here. Take a spoon, just separate the yolk from the egg white. There's the 3 yolks. Now you want to break it up. All right. Now Now put the yolk in the rice, mix it up all with the rice right there. Okay, mix it all up. All right, let's start cooking. Put about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil and turn the heat to really high. Let's cook the onion, the diced onion, the green beans, and the carrots, the diced up carrot. So cook about 2 minutes. Alright, let's remove the vegetable. Put in about another teaspoon of vegetable oil. Now put the rice in. Just spread it out in the pans like this. Pan fry about a minute or so. Okay, now reduce the heat. Reduce it to medium. Reduce the heat to medium, and then start stir frying the rice. Break it up. So now put in the egg white. Cook it for another about 2 minutes. Alright, now put in the vegetable. Put in the ham. Put in some salt. About a teaspoon of salt or so. A teaspoon of ground up pepper. Put in the green onions. Yep, now turn off the heat. It's done. Let's plate it up. Well, so this is the final product. Stir fry rice with egg. So this is the correct way to do it. First you put the separate the yolk from the egg white, and then you beat up the yolk. You break up the yolk and then you mix it with the rice first before you stir fry the rice. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.